Hello everyone. We are continuing lecture on applications of partial differential equations. So in this lecture we will discuss few problems based on wave equation. Already we are studied about wave equation. So this is the general form of a wave equation. By using the separation of variables we are solving this equation. So y equal to x of x and t of t, that means x is a function of x and t is a function of t. We are differentiating this y with respect to t partially and with respect to x partially respectively twice, and we are substituting that and we will get two independent ordinary differential equations. So from that we will get these three solutions. So in this, this one is the most suitable solution for the wave equation. So already we have solved few problems on wave equation. So whenever the general equation is given, so directly we can apply this solution. So in case of some wording problems are given, how to identify the problem as wave equation problem. So on that, so whenever given a stretched string or a length of wire, some length is given, so those cases we are using this. And remember that conditions, so maximum conditions are, suppose if we consider L is a length of this wire at initial stage, that means at x equal to 0, displacement always 0, that is y is 0, and at the end point at x equal to L, y is 0. So these two are the conditions, and at any point x, that display dou y by dou t at time t is 0 at x of 0. So using these three conditions we are solving this, and we have to calculate the values of C1, C2, C3, C4. Now we will see one problem given. See this: a string is stretched and fast ended 2 points L apart. Motion is started by displacing the string in the form of y equal to a sin pi x by L, from which it is released at the time t equal to 0. Show that the displacement of any point at a distance x from one end at a time t is given by y of x comma t equal to a sin pi x by L cos pi ct by L. So given in this, a string is stretched at a fast ended 2 points L apart. So in this, so this is the general equation of wave at x equal to 0. So this is, and this is x equal to L. So both end points displacement y is 0. So these two, and dou y by dou t equal to 0 at a t equal to 0, and given y equal to a sin pi x by L at t equal to 0. So that means y of x comma 0 equal to a sin pi x by L. So using these four conditions we have to solve the given equation. Dou square y by dou t square equal to c square into dou square y by dou x square. We are solving this by using the separation of variables. So for this we are assuming y equal to x of x and t is t, capital T of t, and this is the solution of this: y equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px into c3 cos pct plus c4 sin pct. So in this, first we are substituting the first condition, that is y equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So that means put y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. If x is 0 means sin 0 is 0, this value is 0, cos 0 is 1, so 1 into c1, c1 into c3 cos pct plus c4 sin pct equal to 0. So this is the first condition, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So from this we will get c1 equal to 0. So put c1 equal to 0 in this equation 3. So c1 is 0 means this total term is 0. Therefore we will get y equal to c2 sin px into c3 cos pct plus c4 sin pct. Now in this, using the second condition is y is 0 at x equal to L. So that means put x equal to L and y is 0. So this is 0 C2 sin PL into C3 cos PCT plus C4 sin PCT. So from this, so C2 is not 0, therefore sin PL equal to 0. Sin PL equal to 0. So that means in sin pi is 0. Sin n pi. So n pi is 0. So therefore PL equal to n pi. PL equal to n pi. From this you have to find the value of P. Therefore P equal to n pi by L. So from the second condition, y is 0 when x equal to L. Put x equal to L and y is 0. Therefore 0 equal to C2 sin P L into C3 cos PCT plus C4 sin PCT. So therefore we will get P equal to n pi by L. So substitute this value in equation 4. So what is equation 4? Y equal to C2 sin Px into C3 cos PCT plus C4 sin PCT. In this we have to put P equal to n pi by L. Therefore we will get y equal to C2 sin P value n pi by L x into C3 cos P value n pi by L Ct plus C4 sin P is n pi by L Ct. Now in this third condition is dou y by dou t equal to 0 at t equal to 0. So first of all you have to differentiate this equation 5 with respect to t partially and put dou y by dou t equal to 0 when t equal to 0. So therefore if you are differentiate this, so this term is constant C2 sin n pi by Lx. So in this C3 into derivative of cos, that is minus sin cos derivative is minus sin n pi by L Ct into coefficient of t. Coefficient of t is n pi by L into c. So that is n pi by L c. C3 is there. So derivative of cos is sin n pi by L Ct plus C4 into. So derivative of sin, that is cos n pi by L Ct into derivative of t. So derivative of t is, that means coefficient of t. So that is n pi by L c. So therefore, so C4 into n pi by L c. So sin derivative is cos n pi by L Ct. Now in this, use this condition, third condition, that is dou y by dou t equal to 0 at t equal to 0. So that means this is 0. So t is 0 means sin 0 is, this value is 0, cos 0 is 1 into n pi by L C4. 1 into, so cos 0 is 1 into this total value, that is n pi by L C4, and sin 0 is 0 into anything means this total term is 0. Therefore we will get 0 equal to C2 sin n pi by L x into, so this is 0, so this term n pi by L C4 equal to 0. So AB equal to 0 means any one of the value is 0. So therefore C4 is 0. Now substitute this C4 in this equation 5. If C4 is 0 means this term is 0. Therefore y equal to C2 sin n pi by L x into C3 cos n pi by L Ct. So rewrite this equation. That means y equal to C2 C3 sin n pi by L x into cos n pi by L Ct. Now use that fourth condition. Fourth condition is y of x comma 0 equal to a sin px. That means put t equal to 0 and y equal to a sin pi x by L. So y is a sin pi x by L equal to t is 0 means cos 0 is 1. This value is 1 into C2 C3 sin n pi by L x. So these two are equal. When these two are equal, if you are comparing these two, a equal to C2 C3 and n equal to 1. So this is satisfies this equation when C2 C3 equal to A and n equal to 1. So therefore put n equal to 1 and C2 C3 equal to A in this equation 7. What you will get? Y equal to C2 C3 A sin n value is 1, that is 1 into pi by L x cos pi ct by L. So that is the required solution. So this satisfies when C2 C3 equal to A and n equal to 1. Substitute that C2 C3 equal to A and n equal to 1 in this equation 7, we will get the required solution. So hence the result. So like that, using the boundary conditions, we have to solve the problems in case of wave equation. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.